Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube series. This is car haul number 20. So if you have any questions or concerns, make sure you refer to this car haul ID number. Let's go ahead and get these out of the way so I can introduce these cars to you. I'm going to start with this one right here. This is a purple Jeep. It has no manufacturer info on the back. And I do know a little girl that will love this car. So this is going to be going straight to Layla Ray. And speaking of getting something to Layla Ray, this is going to go to her also. Nice red and yellow Tonka truck. Has the hat and the eyeballs sticking out the front. This is a Maisto. So I wonder if I should take this apart and paint it pink or purple. Give it to her. Okay. Put that aside. We have a Allied tractor trailer. Now I don't know what this goes with, but it is made by Road Champs, made in China, 1985. I'm sure I don't have the truck that goes with this. So what am I going to do with this? We'll see what happens to that in the future. Let's go to this yellow car. Look, now this one I don't really understand. You can roll it on either side. Roll it on this side, or you can roll it on this side. Not really one of my favorite cars. In fact, this goes into the bottom of the stack. So this one will be dealt with properly. How about this one right here? Corgi Jr.'s Formula 5000 racing car. Black, number 4. It's got those very cheap wheels and tires on it. This is definitely be going away. I don't know, I might save this for practicing with my airbrush. Number 46. I like the colors on this car. Number 46. This is a Matchbox. It's going to be fun to take apart and repaint. Here's another one of these weird cars. I don't know what they were smoking when they made this model up. It is a Hot Wheels, labeled Geronimo. Now, I do like the wheels on here, so I'll probably take the wheels off and save them for another project. Maybe go on a pickup truck. We have a plastic silver car. It looks like a Porsche. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know what that is. Doesn't really matter. I'm not going to keep it. We have another car here. This is a Hot Wheels. The windshield has been broken off. So this is probably going to be a donor car. The engine's going to be donated to something else. Maybe this back here. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. Tractor trailer truck. This is a Matchbox. Nice roller. Well, the roll's pretty fair. So this is going to be a pretty good project truck. Camaro Firebird. This is a Pontiac Firebird. One of my least favorite years. I don't like this rounded over back window. (2005). I'm not a fan of this car either, so I'm not really even going to describe it, except for saying that it is going to be finding a new home. Whoops, sorry about that. Official pace car. What is this? It is a Hot Wheels concept car, Mitsubishi Eclipse concept car. So, if you're an Eclipse fan, get in touch with me soon, because this is going to be torn apart. If you want it, contact me soon. Here we go. What do we have here? It is a Matchbox, 1985. This is going to be something to do with a project. I don't know what. Maybe make a moon buggy out of it. We'll see what happens. We have a pickup truck with missing its front wheels. Missing a lot of stuff, looks like. Maybe this goes with it. Does this go in here? No, it won't fit. Unless you want to drive like this, but anyway. It is what it is. How about this El Camino? Now this is going to be a fun project. It is missing most of its engine back here. But what are we going to do with this? I might make this into a wood bed El Camino. So I'm going to put that one aside. I don't know what this is either. Not much I can say about it. It is a Mattel 1999 Diora. So it is going there. Now this one's in pretty good shape. Panos GTR 1997. Gotta think about that one. Got another truck here. This is a Hot Wheels truck. It has a sticker on the top. It is 1989 maybe? I'm not sure. But this one's going to be pretty fun to take apart. What do we have here? We have a Matchbox Pontiac Fiero, 1985 Fiero. Check out the wheels on here. It's just solid. Very cheap tires. Anyway, this is my favorite one from this batch. The rest of them are going to be project cars or donated to somebody else. So, I do appreciate watching video number 20. Appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment in the section below. Thanks a lot.